do?
The girl them all have a high school where they on the evening shift.
What they do?
Them?
No.
The one them where wear the brace in their mouth, man. Where two of them almost look like twins.
What they do
where
to
they
you?
go all have a high school. Not to me.
What they do?
They, you know, say they're down at the gas station at night time I sell their body. I prostitute them. I mean, all have high school up there, so
Yeah.
you know. And look here. You see two of them. Two of them. But they wear brace in their mouth and they on the evening shift, man. Yes, me see them because once for minimum down there, you know. And we go there go buy drinks from time to time.
Yeah.
Right? So we see them and they no hide. You see all of the school gate, when it a dark up, you pass them they right at the school gate with man. They show them all the conduct paper.
Jesus.
Same place. Them the teacher over there to make no sick.
No.
So you come from?
You sure you know one of them old lava?
Where you come from?
Yes.
So we come from when I see you down here.
So you live in the old lava? Eh?
You go to all yes.
Yeah.
I hold lava. The whole you look like the girl them. So you sure you know one of the girl will sell your body down a whole lava night time?
Yeah.
Of course you're one of them. They know that's why you're there so with camera. Because somebody were important now have time to do them or something. You must stop the prostitution, the blood of Jesus against you, you little nastiness. See how much belly you dash with. You remember me? You was your lie, you were there.
No, man, that's true, man, I remember you.
No video, we go put bad. Just an ordinary picture.
Me see a Santa idea there, though.
You must stop have sex with that boy. A lady, you must look for it.
Like you.
Attractive baby, like.
What's up here, bro? What's up here, Miss Santa?
You're nasty.
Later here. Me see a Santa there.
She was so disrespectful.
Yeah, food look nice though. Food look nice.
Kind. Put a bag and a fork. No, man, I wouldn't take your food. I have to look at what I'm doing. I don't talk about the food. Yeah. Me swear you never carry food, come give me yourself. But you see that girl there now, that girl there already. Thanks for your miss. Another time.
Not a time.
As long as me not see you.
Oh.
Told you.
So you just did a reason with me good and now you say you don't want to see me.
And you find out that you smoke ganja and you crack. Make you crack.
No, ganja don't make you crack. Ganja don't make you crack. No, ganja don't make you crack.
So you gonna anyway, man, I eat really good food, you know?
Yeah, man.
Man, I don't eat time. I'll do that time.
Look who I see at my workplace today.
So I just rice and peas, madam, to buy. So you can sell me one at 551. I mean, I'll say if you could just fry that plant here for me, please. Just stop in at two and just, please. I mean, want one at the 551. Make me tell you what you want. No one breast in there. You know, one breast. The breast sick out. Same way with pasta. Pork gravy or whatever. So you don't have no chips, like or you don't have no food. Oh. sir. You share the rice and peas. But beg you just do that for me. Just chop in at 2 yeah, missus. Not even take 1 second to fry. And just do it. So what video man, you notice she couldn't talk with me and now she laugh at Jamaican that, you know. Pure laugh, they laugh, you know, and can't talk, you know. When Jamaicans. And when you go to talk to them, they're dumb. They can't talk. I was telling a man last night about this girl, somebody invite the girl to church and everybody have a talk to do. Everybody have something to talk about. Let me see your phone.
Huh?
What on the bar? Let me see your phone.
Money in here.
And that him soak. You don't tell him to stop for me, come on. He fuck the whole of you in a dog. No man. They can't let nasty man. You cannot look man. You can't make one of them you. A man we are ring and 2 years. A fucking dog them man.
Have a wonderful evening, ma'am.
I thought the one that you can't imagine the amount of 40 leg we crawl out our here. Right, so when you can...
I can't sell my thing.
This lady need Jesus.
All crosses them.
How trouble you?
Huh?
Who trouble you?
The last time when you suck your mother front, that trouble me. You just when you do it. And you kill your grandmother to get the paper for the land to buy the car where you drive.
In old
Oh, man, do
Arbor.
man, you sell Aki now. You sell Aki now.
No,
Huh?
I'm
Who
going
will
to
buy
cook
Aki
that.
from you? Huh?
No, I'm going to cook. You mad?
You cook
I'm
your
not the type
boyfriend.
who would sell on the roadside, sell Aki, so cheap.
Yeah, how much
me
you
money,
Aki?
you mad?
Yeah, you won't see on TikTok, you
Me
know.
go cook it. Yes, I'm you see on TikTok, but they don't want you on it. I'm the one who the people want. I'm the one who the people love.
Look who I saw today.
Just book that, eh?
Get your time. Since you
I tell you, man, say super.
You're nice looking.
how can I get you?
You're nice looking, am I married? Eh?
You're a pest.
You're single? You're single?
Cokehead, you is a pest. Cokehead. Cokehead.
I take care.